think the bear goes on this side. Oh no, you got him. You did it right, honey. I think you had it right over here where you put it. Okay? Jack in the Box goes down here.
Not there.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's here.
Mm-hmm. The dolly.
Sorry. And that's a story.
Okay, what's left?
Buddy.
The duck.
Yeah.